Hi, welcome to our walkthrough of MetalliQ, the next generation life cycle assessment platform designed to revolutionize sustainable decision making. Let's start with the basics. What is LCA? Life cycle assessment is a scientific methodology used to evaluate the environmental impacts of a product or process across its entire lifespan, from raw material extraction and manufacturing all the way to end of life disposal or recycling. It helps organizations, industry experts, and policymakers identify hidden hotspots and make greener, more circular choices. Yet, traditional LCA tools and manual processes often have major drawbacks. Users need to manually fill enormous spreadsheets with detailed, often hard to find data. Limited scenario analysis, lack of regional adaptation, outdated reporting, time taking, and most importantly, they follow a linear approach rather than circularity. That's where MetalIQ comes in, combining artificial intelligence and user friendly design for smarter, faster, and more reliable LCA. MetalIQ supports two roles. Investigators run LCA studies and compare scenarios. Those are the end users, while admins manage datasets, users, and AI model training. The dashboard gives instant insights, circularity impacts, recycling rates, circular scores, report analytics, and latest report summaries. Our collaborative workspace will help you seamlessly collaborate with your team or manage individual reports in one place. Let's start with a new LCA study. We'll start with goal and scope definition, fill up the intended application, intended audience, system boundary, study limitations. Next is the project and material. Fill up the project name, material, category or applications and set the analysis region. Our AI autofill will fill up the metal ore concentration and type of ore based on the analysis region. The coatings, if any, then life cycle stages, set up the functional unit, secondary material, production process, end of life scenario, use phase duration. If the user does not know any details inside this three stages, life cycle stages, transportation stages, and advanced parameters, our AI autofill that is based on the category will help it in filling up. Then, if you know, fill up the rest of the details for transportation stages, stage name, mode of transport, fuel type, and distance. Add up the advanced parameters. Our MetalIQ platform quantifies data quality using pedigree matrices and highlights sources of uncertainty. Let's press on run analysis. Our MN models will be analyzing the data carefully and give us a precise report. After the report is ready, the final LCA report will include the following. It will have ISO 14044 compliance, our executive summary, goal and scope, data quality and uncertainty, supply chain hotspots, interactive process lifecycle, AI generated lifecycle interpretation, circularity analysis, material flow analysis, that is the Sankey diagram, will have extended circularity metrics like resource efficiency, extended product life, reuse potential, material recovery, closed loop potential, recycling content, landfill rate, energy recovery. The key impacts profiles, it will have a graph with GWP, energy, water, eutrophication, and acidification, GWP contribution analysis, energy source breakdown, will have detailed impact assessment, both chart and a table view, with the following environmental indicators like global warming potential, acidification potential, photochemical ozone creation, abiotic depletion, freshwater exhaustivity, energy demand, eutrophication demand, particulate matter formation, human toxicity like cancer, ionizing radiation, water consumption, ozone depletion potential, abiotic depletion for elements, human toxicity that is non cancer, and land use. Our uncertainty dashboard will show the uncertainty analysis or GWP energy water. Our AI powered insights and recommendations. This is what makes our MetalIQ platform unique. This AI model will identify hotspots and flag a warning. It will give an AI summary. It will show evidences what makes it highly risk for the environmental impacts. It will show the root cause and give an action plan to reduce these impacts and follow a sustainable path. If the ore grade is low, it will also flag a warning and tell us to use a better ore grade, because lower the ore grade, it will have the highest impacts on environment. For transportation, especially if electric vehicle is used, then the AI model should recommend energy efficient charging options. Next is our primary versus recycled scenario comparison. It will show detailed comparison table and a detailed analysis chart for comparison. With our compare scenarios options, we can seamlessly compare different scenarios and materials. It will give us the detailed comparison with charts, AI suggestions on best fit materials, and impact breakdown. We also have options to save the past reports. This is where we can see all the past reports and view them. So this was all about the user interface and what the users can do with our LCA analysis. Let's also look towards the admin panel. Admins gain access to platform analytics, user dataset controls, and powerful AIML model training and management tools. In dataset management, the admin will upload newer datasets and keep the model up to date. In the AI model hub, the admin can train the ML model and keep the new versions up to date. So that is it. With MetalIQ, unlock the speed, precision, and local relevance that modern LCA demands. Start transforming your sustainability projects now.